Ever felt tongue-tied trying to explain what the heck it is you do? Well, if so, today's your day. See, in the world of health and fitness, clarity isn't just about abs. It's about absolutely knowing how to articulate your value. So, let's whip your solution statement into shape. I'm going to walk you through my 3-step process that's going to end up filling in this particular formula. Okay, so the formula is like this. I help blank achieve blank without blank. That sounds simple because it really is, but those blanks are what we're going to fill in. So what we want to do is we want to start with who you serve. That's your dream client. So do you help sleep-deprived moms? Are you helping people who are sitting behind the desk all day that want to put on muscle? Or maybe you're helping the mysterious, like, I've tried every diet possible and I still can't lose weight type of people. Who is it that you serve? Now, the next step is, what do you actually help them achieve? Do you help them achieve a full night's sleep? Is it washboard abs? Or is it just the pure joy of being able to eat whatever foods they want without feeling guilty? And lastly, what's the biggest hurdle that you help them skip? Maybe it's doing all of it without needing a 5th cup of coffee, or maybe without having to spend endless hours in the gym, or without giving up their soul or chocolate or pizza. Whatever that thing is that they can do without having to give up, that's the third part of the process. So as an example, for myself, I help fitness coaches take the knowledge they already currently have in their head and help them create a digital course without having to learn a completely new skill. And so that's a pretty clear, concise, catchy statement that doesn't sound like I'm reading from a college anatomy and physiology textbook. People resonate with solutions, okay? They don't resonate with vague promises. So a solution statement, it acts like that bridge between you and your potential clients, basically telling them like, hey, I get you. I know what you want and I can help you. So in a nutshell, a solution statement is your verbal business card. It's your elevator pitch, and it's like that flashy billboard all in one. It's about saying, I know exactly who I serve, I know how I serve them, and I know the uniqueness of what I bring to the table. Now, once you have your solution statement, you might be wondering, okay, so that's good. What do I do with it though? What if I want to start teaching these things to my dream clients? Well, next time we're going to dive deep into finding your unique teaching points for your area of expertise. So make sure to stick around, give that subscribe button a tap, and maybe even show me some love in the comments. And if you end up crafting your own solution statement, make sure and put it in the comments and I'll check it out. Until next time, you got this.